breakfast in bed. And a little movie too. Good job, girly friends.
Thank you.
How is it, Belle? Good. Okay, I'm going to clean the kitchen so we can get ready for our adventure day while you guys are doing this, okay? We're going to have a rainy day adventure day. Excited? It's raining outside, so we got to make the most of it. Okay? Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Hello, are you ready for your adventure day?
Yeah.
Who came with us?
Bella's aunt.
Show me who came. What do you have, Bella? You don't know her name?
Brittany.
Brittany, can I see her outfit of the day? For a rainy day.
Again.
Let me see, Belle.
2 days in a row.
She's a bumblebee rain girl.
And she's a Miss Ladybug.
Cute. What's her name, Sage?
Her name is Sydney.
Sydney. We are going, where are we going? Remlinger? We're going to Remlinger Farms and
In Duval.
in Duval.
And we are headed to Country Village.
And then we're going to Country Village. We're having an outdoor rainy fall/summer day. Excited, girls? It is nasty out there. I'm so excited. We're going on an
Some of the
adventure.
leaves are...
They're turning orange already, like if it's fall.
Yes, and it's not even
Say
fall.
hello, we're not ready yet.
We're not ready yet. We're not ready to jump. Look at that tree. It's old. It's dead.
Uh-oh. It needs some more water. Maybe that's why it's raining. How about? Are you excited to have your rainy day, Jahida?
Of course.
Of course.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Live dolls. Hey, girl. Say cheese. Put Brittany in the little hole in the bottom.
You, Sarah, get in there.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Woo! Hey.
We have like dollars in our cart.
So we are at the ooh, I better clean my camera case. Hold on. We are at Remlinger Farms and we're gonna have a fall pretend fall day. They eat a bunch of yummy food. This is so fun! We just ordered soup. I got vegetable soup and the girls some tomato soup because they love that stuff. And they're about to play.
That's my horsey. You can do it because I'm the horsey's owner. Here, I'll help you, little girl. I got it.
Careful, Belly, okay?
We need some coins.
We just had some yummy soup. How was your soup, Dollface?
It was delicious.
So good. What kinds of things are you finding?
Trying to get stuff.
There's some yummy apricots, I think. Fresh picked blueberries. No, put it down, please. Don't touch anything that's glass. No cooked jam, huh? We have all this fresh stuff. Let's check the fresh veggies. Come check out the fresh veggies, Sage. Everything looks so delicious because it was just picked a few days, like hours ago, they said. Maybe it was a few hours ago, or a few days ago. That's a lot of stuff. I gotta find Bella. Jump, ready, 1, 2, 3, go!
Jump, Belly, jump!
Sadie, come on the side of Belle.
I hope I got one of them at least.
You only have 3 side by side. How do you feel about your father?
It's a great day today.
What a rainy day today.
Yeah, with her cat. What are you doing, Kim? What are you doing?
Jump, 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 jump. Go,
Easy,
Bella.
easy, Kim.
Higher, Bella, higher.
So Bella told me that she had water in her boots, but I didn't think what would happen, what would just happen. We have her socks drying because they're soaking wet, and water came out and splashed everywhere.
Is it
Did
really
you have a little
that
too
hot?
much fun
Is
splashing?
it really that hot right now?
Yes.
I'm sweating!
They have the heaters on to dry it. So. Belle, what happened to you, Belle? Too many puddle jumps, Belle. You're soaking. Hey, doll. What are you doing? White on pink on pink. Whoa!
Pop, pop, pop!
Papa Pink. And you even have pink lippies. Who gave you lipstick?
You!
I did? I forgot. Oh, I think you got a refill from Nina though.
Name?
What's oh, always getting into something, Bellamia. Oh my goodness.
Keep a lip you.
Here comes the downpour again.
What's the downflow?
We're trying to stay out of the rain, and Bella is soaking. Bella, you want to tell everyone what happened to your pants and your boots?
And my feet was soaking in, and I did this.
What happened in the car though?
What? Oh, the boots came off. Water.
Everywhere. You weren't kidding when you said, Mom, there's water in my boots. Eee!
Fun.
We're in a Christmas store. Sadie, what you got there, girl?
I'm trying to look for something for my pink Christmas tree. It's little. It's
How do you feel, Jahida? She just found out the store is closing.
Extremely sad. This was my favorite store ever. And it is no longer going to exist.
only when it exists online.
Only online. Everything's moving online, Sadie.
My tree.
You what?
My pink tree.
You really, but what did you say?
We had to find something really fast, a theme for my pink.
Something pink and sparkly.
Like that, like really fast.
What is?
Let's go check out the rest of the store, guys. We've only hit Christmas. We haven't even hit the rest of the section.
I'm trying to.
What are you doing?
Oh, trying to take a selfie.
A what?
Selfie.
What's a selfie?
It's when you just do one person, and my mom obviously wants me to take a picture with her of a selfie.
So that's not really a selfie if it's of you and her. What is it if it's you and Belle? Bella, you're in the rain, baby cakes. Come over here.
Just a picture,
Just a picture of people.
and pictures are boring.
And selfies are.
Pictures.
And
And they're
are-
boring too.
Oh, everything's boring?
Yeah,
oh.
except videos.
Videos are fun?
Bella, there's stepped in a
Oh, Bella, you need to dry. I got a gift for some people. They have a really good sale going on since they're closing that store, and they have just the most amazing home things and decorations. So I really need to get my mom out here before August 15th when they close. It's really pretty in there. But the girls are having fun. Rainy day, fun day. Is Jahida buying the whole store, do you think?
Maybe, because she'll probably cry.
I know, she's so sad. Are you poking your nose? We're at a fancy dancy store now. What, Zabe? What?
So pretty.
Like what, babe?
I think it came with beautiful gloves.
Beautiful? What do you think of this store, Belle?
I like it.
Yeah, don't touch anything. You break it, you buy it.
That's cute.
Bill! Oh my gosh, she was dancing in the cheese aisle. What are you doing? I'm pretty sure there's a sign somewhere that says you cannot be in there, little kid.
Too bad.
We're just getting some snacks for the girls since they were super good today, except for a little crazy at the little home boutiques. But can't blame them. Like, why would they want to be there, you know? But they did good.
Okay, what are we gonna have? I want to put some lipstick on.
All right.
You're going to say this
With
on. Ready?
This
Go.
is how you put.
And then you gotta put it on. Ready?
The girls are putting some lipstick on.
2, 3. All this stuff.
I put lipstick
That's why you put lipstick on? Now what do you do?
Mix it. There you go. You're awesome.
Good job, babe. All right, let's see what Say's got going on.
I want to try Sade's lipstick.
Yeah. There you go. Give me 5. Good job. Here, go that way. Hashtag tiny mini home movies. Yeah.
Can I have some gum too?
Hashtag,
You can have gum after you eat some dinner.
hashtag yeah.
Yeah.
Hashtag too many hashtags.
Hashtag mom cooking
Remember,
again.
Ollie told me only 3 in online marketing.
See? Yeah.
3 is enough, and I put that in bold letters.
A little bit more.
Oh my god, it
Wow, you look so pretty, babe.
there's 4 tortillas ready, guys.
I took notes and everything. I still have them.
I mean, hashtag.
Wait.
There's 4 tortillas ready.
I can still tell you what he talked about.
So, Kim,
He talked
have you...
about the 3 P's, right? Or purpose.
Really?
You have to have a purpose.
Dang.
And online marketing, and he was awesome. He
Give
did
it
great.
attention.
Yes,
Dang,
took
I spoke at
notes,
Kim's
and
class.
I still have them. I took notes, yes.
So, we just mentioned... In my class, I talked about people using too many hashtags. What do you think about that?
I think you're very, it's very true because
didn't break
some
it. It looked
people
like
put
this.
too many hashtags. So you're supposed to only use 3, Ollie said.
Yeah.
And that's good.
And sometimes you go like 4 or 5 or 6.
Yeah, 4 or 5, but I think 3 is good.
What about funny ones? Do funny ones count?
Funny ones are cool, but like really like 10 funny ones though?
Yeah, that's like
That's just too
really
many.
long ones.
That's
like,
crazy.
You should
If it
just
goes
write it
fast,
out.
then it's like the next time.
Alright, hey, so let's actually call out some people right now. No, I'm just kidding. Babe.
Attitude is like a flat tire. You can't go anywhere unless you change it.
Dang.
God. Hey, we saw that today. What was
Hey,
it?
babe,
A bad
Sadie.
attitude is like a flat tire.
Look at me.
Can't go anywhere.
Come here. I want to see it. Wow, so pretty. What do you think about... You're pretty. That's hashtag beautiful princess. But hey, Sadie, what do you think about people doing too many hashtags?
That would be awkward.
It would be awkward. Hashtag awkward. Do you know how to do a hashtag with your hands?
Hashtag awkward. Oh my goodness, there is some birds eating our seeds. I can't really see them.
You can't, babe?
No, I can't see them in here.
Zoom in.
How do we zoom in?
Let me see.
Right.
Say it, say it.
There's a bird seed.
Say it louder. They can't hear you.
There's a bird eating the seeds. You can't really see them.
Can you see the bird?
Why not?
There's no bird?
Kind of. Yeah, we saw it. I can see it. See the bird, guys?
The facial.
Look at that.
Wow, how do you know that trick, Bill?
Do this one, Bill.
Wow.
I'm gonna.
How much are you getting paid for this one, Bill?
Don't do that, Say. That's weird.
A lot.
A lot.
Wow, Billy.
She's a professional. Like, seriously.
So my babes, you still haven't told me what you guys did today, Say.
But they saw what we did today.
I want to. Can you tell me what we did?
We went to the place where we went berry picking.
No way. Did you have a
But we didn't
ton?
go berry picking.
Did you have a ton of fun?
Yeah.
Look at this weather. It's super sunny. You might not see, but it's been raining. And for the summer to be raining, that's just crazy. Time to put the little munchkins to bed. Boy, Sadie said. Sadie thinks that she's supposed to stay up 24/7 like a vampire, but she's not a vampire. She's a Mexican Persian little girl.
It's the Persian, obviously.
What? Girl, you're a third? I'm sorry. You're 3/4 Mexican and a quarter Persian.
I'm 0.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Love you guys.
Love you.
Pray and then we'll go to bed. Okay? Can you say goodnight to everyone?
Good night, sleep tight, to the bed, bugs bite. Good night.
Gonna have a good day tomorrow? Yep.
Look at what happened to us. We got caught out in the rain at the beach. That was crazy.
Worst beach day ever!
Oh, sorry, babe. The girls are so upset because they're freezing.